Hello my friend, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle, coming to you from Dallas, Texas. And today we're going to be looking into lesson number 8 out of the 20 lessons carved out from my 20 years of trading Forex and Futures market. So we've talked about lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just in case you missed any of the video or any of the lessons, the links should be at the description of this video. So, and do me a favor also, please like this video, okay? Leave your comment, any area you are struggling with, or any area you want my help, or any area you want me to create a, video or lessons for you. Leave it at the comment section of this video, and share this video with your friend. So what is lesson number 8? Lesson number 8, consistency is better than big wins. Consistency beats big wins. What does that mean? You can have a small account. Remember, we talked about that every small account has potential of growth. You can grow a small account. Now, if you start an account with $100, $200, $500, you are consistent with your winning. It could be just 1% per day, 2%, 1%, even 0.5%, and you are consistent with that. And any day you lose small. Maybe when you win, also you win small, not too big. Is better than one time wonder. Like it has happened to me before. So every lesson I'm creating for you is what I have experienced before. Like you have an account, you could have let's say like 1 month winning, maybe winning small, and the day you lose, you lost everything. So why don't you, instead of you focusing on big win, we see stories of people flipping accounts. I've done that before, like you flip $100 to $200, $200 to $400, $400 to $800, $800 to $1,600, $1,600 to $3,200, $3,200 to $6,400, and so on and so forth. You can do that, but trust me, flipping accounts, to every successful account that you flip, you have blown about 10 of that. So instead of you doing that, why don't you focus on growing that account? No matter how small or big the account is, you focus on growing it and be consistent with your strategy. Like what I teach my students, pick one strategy, one time frame, one mentor, one session, because we have let's say 4 different trading sessions. Okay, if you remove Frankfurt, then we talk about 3: Asia market, London market, and the New York, right? So focus on one instead of try to trade all the sessions. Number 1, you will burn out, you will be tired. But when you focus, if for instance now you are in the US and you can just decide to focus on a New York market, even though this period right now, it's like we are in a different trading era entirely. You will see Asia market will be very smooth. Asia market will be very smooth. Asia market very smooth. New York will become so, ranging. We see Asia, we see London market, the trend will be very smooth. Then when it comes to New York, the whole thing is just ranging, and because so many algos right now are built for New York market. So pick one session. If it is Asia market you want to trade, if it is London market you want to trade, if it is New York market you want to trade, pick one session and focus. We talk about consistency. Be consistent with your strategy. Do not be changing strategy. Like you pick today you trade breakout, tomorrow you trade with a Bollinger Band. Next tomorrow you trade with a trend line. Next tomorrow, another day you trade support resistance. Another day, no, stop doing that. Stop doing that. Make sure you pick one strategy. Be consistent. Be consistent. At least that strategy that you are trading, can you try it for 100 trades? Okay, 100 trades. Then also be consistent with your time frame. You cannot trade 1 minute today, trade 5 minutes tomorrow, trade 1 hour next week. You will be confused. Then what about even the currency pair? You need to be consistent with the pair you trade. If you are trading NASDAQ, trade NASDAQ. If you are trading gold, trade gold. If you are trading US 30, trade US 30. You cannot be trading, today you trade a Euro USD, next tomorrow you trade GBP, JPY, and another day you trade a NASDAQ, another day you trade gold. You will be confused. It's like you are dating different people every time, right? So remember, lesson number 8, consistency beats big win. Be consistent with everything you do, and if you can be consistent and of course put it to work and document your progress, you will know that the sky will be your starting point. Success will await you, and one of these days you will stand like this to be mentoring others. By the way, if you are looking for a way to learn how to trade futures market or to trade forex market, where I'll be privileged to be your mentor, the link also will be at the description of this video. Check it out, and if you have any question, let me know how I can be of help to you. God bless you, love you, and peace out.